What is evolutionary psychology? Evolutionary psychology is a branch of psychology that seeks to understand human behavior and cognition through the lens of evolution. It is based on the premise that many of the behavioral and cognitive traits observed in humans are the result of adaptations that evolved over millions of years to help our ancestors survive and reproduce. The central idea of evolutionary psychology is that the brain and behavior have evolved over time through natural selection. This means that traits that were beneficial for our ancestors in terms of survival and reproduction were more likely to be passed down to future generations, while traits that were less advantageous were less likely to be passed on. Thus, over time, humans have developed a range of cognitive and behavioral adaptations that are well suited to the challenges of our environment and our social and ecological niches. One of the key tenets of evolutionary psychology is that many of the cognitive and behavioral traits that are observed in humans today are the result of our evolutionary history. For example, the ability to recognize faces and to read emotions in facial expressions is thought to have evolved because it helped our ancestors to form social bonds and alliances, which in turn improved their chances of survival and reproduction. Similarly, the fear of snakes and spiders is thought to have evolved because these animals were a significant threat to our ancestors, and those who were better able to detect and avoid them were more likely to survive and pass on their genes. Evolutionary psychology also emphasizes the importance of understanding the adaptive functions of behavior. For example, aggression is often seen as a negative trait, but it can also be adaptive in certain contexts, such as defending oneself or one's family from threats. In this sense, evolutionary psychology seeks to understand the ways in which seemingly negative or maladaptive behaviors can be functional in certain circumstances. Another key concept in evolutionary psychology is the idea of universals and variations. Universals refer to the common cognitive and behavioral traits that are observed across different cultures and societies. For example, all humans have a fear response, and all cultures have some form of social hierarchy. Variations, on the other hand, refer to the differences that exist between cultures and societies. These variations are thought to reflect the different ecological and social niches in which different groups of humans have evolved. Finally, evolutionary psychology emphasizes the importance of considering both proximate and ultimate explanations for behavior. Proximate explanations refer to the immediate causes of behavior, such as hormonal and neural mechanisms. Ultimate explanations, on the other hand, refer to the evolutionary history of the trait in question and the ways in which it has contributed to survival and reproduction over time. Critics of evolutionary psychology argue that it can be reductionist and deterministic, and that it overlooks the complex ways in which cultural and social factors interact with biology to shape human behavior. However, proponents of the field argue that it offers a valuable framework for understanding the complex interplay between biology, culture, and behavior, and that it can inform interventions and policies that promote human well-being. Overall, evolutionary psychology is a field that seeks to understand human behavior and cognition in the context of our evolutionary history. By examining the ways in which our brains and behaviors have adapted over time, researchers in this field are shedding light on some of the fundamental questions of human psychology and informing interventions and policies that promote well-being and flourishing.